This is a bolo for all Central Ohio law enforcement officers. Be on the lookout for Justin Wolfbro Higgins, who currently has active warrants for his arrest. Wolfbro might just be Columbus's dumbest criminal. He once again has violated a protection order, this time while live streaming. It doesn't get much easier for the prosecutors when the suspect literally posts the evidence and confession online for everyone to see.
And guess what, boys? You can eat shit because we're still here.
Here's some background. According to this affidavit from 2020, on October 23rd, 10 TV reporters were covering a homicide scene when Justin Higgins interrupted their filming. He shouted, "Leave! These are my streets! You don't live here! You should talk to me!" He then got into his vehicle and drove up on the sidewalk, nearly hitting a cameraman, and threatened to kick their asses. Because of this behavior, 10 TV was granted a protection order requiring Wolfbro to stay at least 1,000 feet away from all 10 TV employees. That order is good until November 2nd, 2025. But on August 25th, 2025, Justin violated that order. Here is the video.
Yeah. If you ever need anything, you see me out there, I'll be there for you, okay? Yep. So I just talked to 10 TV and informed them. They said, no. Boom. Wrong. Gotcha.
Justin's delusions and paranoia were on full display during this live stream. He accused me and the FOP of hacking his social media.
I got police hacked into this site right now. Logged into Limitless Video Productions on every platform. Brian Steele involved along with Spencer Badger. Still trying to dox our company, destroy our agency.
He went further to claim that 12 was pointing at him and suggested that the officers would make up a reason to arrest him.
Let it be known, 12's pointing at me now. They're going to find a way to arrest me. That's what they do.
These are the warrants and probable cause affidavit from the officers who filed the warrant. According to these documents, Justin approached the reporters and offered to help them with the reporting, a clear violation of the protection order. So Justin, you now have 2 warrants for violation of protection order. After being arrested nearly 20 times for the very same thing, you'd think you would have this figured out by now, but apparently not.
Like apples, how about them apples?